All right, what is up, you guys? Good morning. How are y'all doing? Hope that you all are having a great day. Welcome to another vlog. So, so gonna be doing legs. Gonna be focusing on just movement and development. So really, just gonna be focusing on the mind to muscle connection when it comes to the quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, all the above, guys. So hope that you guys enjoy the content. Hope that you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys leave a like and comment on the video. And of course, subscribe down to the channel. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos and any new content that comes out on the channel. We got vlogs at 11 a.m. Make sure you don't miss them. Again, hit the bell notification. Subscribe down to the channel so you don't miss any new videos and any new content that comes from the channel. So hope that you guys enjoyed the content. Hope that you guys enjoyed some of the content that I got in the gym for you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. And of course, we only promote peace, unity, and community here, you guys. So enjoy the content, enjoy the gym vlogs. I hope that you guys enjoy the vlogs, and I hope that you guys stay tuned for more as well. We're going to be posting more and more as much as we can, and getting more and more involved with different things. So stay tuned for that as well. I appreciate and love all of you guys. Hope that you guys have a great day. God bless y'all.